What you trying to do?
I'm trying to put up. He gotta go. 6 feet.
Like make you think you can do 6 feet.
Girl, do it matter?
Look, it don't matter. He could have came in on us when we was asleep. He could have violated. He gotta go. Let's go. He gonna remember us and regret it.
Oh, that one, he dead now. Fuck it.
It diamond, bitch.
Hey, bro. You ready to go home?
What are we doing here? It's hot.
We killing time till we catch the bus.
The bus?
Yeah. The bus.
Like the city bus?
Yes, the city bus.
I ain't riding on no city bus.
The bus is for homeless people.
You homeless.
Got it.
Got what?
How we gonna get this money?
Oh, girl, please, tell me.
We gonna sell work.
There's just one problem. We don't have any drugs to sell.
That part.
Well, I know where we can get some. Zeus.
Zeus?
Crazy people thinks she's crazy.
I said, what the f
It
is my
diamond,
money?
bitch.
All right, listen. If you play with me about my money, I will send your straight back to your mama.
You know, if we can't sell all these drugs, you gonna have to answer to Zeus, right?
It ain't over till I say you done. Okay?
No, I tolerated it. I'm over here training this chick and you paying her $6 more an hour? How can you even afford that? You trying to work with me and calling me broke?
Oh, I ain't trying to work. I said I get the bag.
Well, you gotta work for the bag.
That's bullshit.
So all of these bags are filled with that.
Pastor still got drugs?
$2 million worth.
Let me get it.
What's in your mind? I'm not doing that.
What are you doing here?
What am I doing here? Everybody works for Zeus, fool. Where the money at?
Selfish. Use me and my family, treat me like trash. You're a narcissist. You're a do anything to get ahead type bastard. That's who you are.
Are you coming home? Should I ring or wait and again? Trying to close just checking on you.
I want you dead.